Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Steam to your Xbox account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so go ahead and open up your Xbox app on your PC or laptop from here to sign into your account. Now once you're signed in, you want to go ahead and click onto your user profile at the top left hand corner. Click onto settings. Now once you're inside settings, you make sure you're on the account tab and then scroll down, and then you're going to see all your linked accounts, so you connect with friends across your socials. So you'll see the Steam option, so just simply go ahead and click on link, and now a little pop-up is going to appear. It will say select an app to open this link, so I'm going to choose Google Chrome because that's what I use. And now a new page should appear. Now from here, if you haven't logged into Steam, go ahead and log in with your credentials, and then once you've logged in, it's going to say your name, so go ahead and click on sign in. You might need to add your password. No, I don't need to. So from here, go ahead and click on Xbox, and then it will come back here, and then it should say here, this is my Steam account, Ghost, and if it says unlinked, that means you've successfully linked Steam to your Xbox account.